Hey folks, ever opened your dishwasher only to get knocked out by a nasty smell? Yeah, you know the one. Sort of a sour, musty, I've got something did in here kind of stink? Makes you wonder how anything coming out of it could possibly be clean, right? Well, today, we're diving into the belly of the beast. Stick with me, and we'll teach that dishwasher who's boss. But first, what are things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Right, let's cut to the chase. That stink isn't just gross, it's a sign of something more sinister. Bacteria and fungus. Yes, that same machine you trust with your favorite coffee mug. According to a study conducted by the National Center for Biotechnology Information in 2011, a neglected dishwasher can turn into a wild party for all kinds of microorganisms. Now, don't let that spoil your dinner, we're gonna fix this. Step 1, folks. Take a cup of white vinegar, that miracle liquid that's been praised by a team of scientists from the University of North Carolina. They said in 2014 that this stuff is a natural disinfectant. Pour it into a dishwasher-safe bowl and place it on the top rack. Now run a hot water cycle. The vinegar will work its magic, steam up, and battle that nasty bacteria. Still with me? Awesome. Now on to step 2. Once the vinegar's done its thing, sprinkle a cup of baking soda across the bottom of the dishwasher. Run a short, hot water cycle again. Baking soda, as you might recall from a 2015 study published by the American Chemical Society, is a fantastic deodorizer. It'll grab onto those lingering bad smells and show them the door. Okay, let's pause a sec. Are you thinking, but hey, what if the smell is stuck on the seals or under the door? You're not wrong, that can happen. Here's step 3. Grab an old toothbrush, some warm, soapy water, and get scrubbing. Those nooks and crannies can hide bits of food and gunk, leading to the OL stink. Don't be shy, get in there. By now, your dishwasher should be smelling pretty fresh. But don't forget, maintenance is key. A study in 2013 by the University of Bonn, Germany, recommended cleaning your dishwasher once a month to keep the odors away. So, show your dishwasher some love regularly and you'll never have to worry about that nasty smell again. That's it, folks. You've tamed the beast, conquered the stink. Now go enjoy your clean-smelling kitchen. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with all your friends who need to defeat their dishwasher beasts too. And hey, I want to hear from you. Did these steps help? Got any other dishwasher cleaning tips? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time. Congrats, kitchen warriors. You've learned how to get rid of dishwasher smell. Remember, a clean dishwasher isn't just about the smell, it's about making your kitchen a place you love to be. And who knows, with your dishwasher fresh and clean, you might even feel inspired to cook that gourmet meal you've been putting off. But that's a topic for another day. Stay fresh, and I'll see you in the next video.